Coca-Cola has directly denied the allegation of involvement in the Gaza genocide carried out by Israel. Coca-Cola is not an Israeli company, nor is it involved in any military project in the world. But it's eye-opening when you look at the majority of Coca-Cola's shareholders. Berkshire Hathaway, Vanguard Trust, BlackRock, State Corporation, Ziud Management, Eaton Management, Fidelity Management, Charles Management, JP Morgan Management, BlackRock Life companies. Almost 100% lobbying in some part of all these companies is Jewish or Zionist. You can clearly tell when you see the most of Coca-Cola's board members are Jewish. Take Barry Diller, for example, an 82-year-old man who is originally Jewish and is the current director of Coca-Cola. There are at least 10 other board members like him. In the same way, there are 10 more people at the manager level. I have given the list of all of them here. You will find them one by one. Then you will find that they are Jewish or Zionist. These Zionists from all over the world work together as one. The world's largest asset management companies. One of the names of companies like BlackRock, Vanguard, JP Morgan, Gold Sachs, and all these companies are individually or jointly controlled by organizations all over the world, that is IFAC, and that IFAC is directly responsible for Israel-Gaza genocide. Israel is being supported with money, weapons, and intelligence. Even in difficult times, IFAC is giving serious diplomatic support to Israel. IFAC lobbying because of this. Israel has reaped the most benefits from the US Parliament. Even more than half of the lawmakers in US Parliament are essentially tied to IFAC money.
Let's talk about AIPAC, the American Israel Public Affairs Committee. It was incorporated in 1963. For 10 years prior to that, it was known as the American Zionist Committee for Public Affairs. AIPAC calls itself America's pro-Israel lobby, and according to its website, it has over 3 million members across the country in regional chapters working to, quote, expand and strengthen the U.S.-Israel relationship, end quote.
More than 90% of US lawmakers belong to IFAC money. Money has been sold like this, making it very difficult for anyone else to extract any benefits from the US. In fact, IFAC grip on US presidential election is so strong that no one can be president without the IFAC blessing. Twitter handle called the IFAC tracker provides a safe picture of IFAC spending behind US legislators for Israeli lobbying. This points out everything point by point. Just use the name IFAC. Convey the image of Israeli lobbying and their powerhouse around the world. Apart from IFAC, there are at least 50 more such organizations and companies, those directly involved in pro-Israeli lobbying. Part of the Israeli lobbying is Coca-Cola, which is directly support Israel's genocide. Point is, the profits from the sale of Coca-Cola drinks worldwide are being spent on the pro-Israeli lobby. A part of this pro-Israeli lobbying is more than $4.8 billion. After 7 October, the Israeli counterattack caused America to provide Israel with weapons, money, and AI, supporting in all aspects.